Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on REALME C73. So you have to start by pressing on this arrow button, and here you have to select your language, then click next, and now you have to select your region, and then click next to agree to this legal information, and here you can insert your SIM card, or you can just click next. Now you can set up your device using another device, or you can just click skip. Here you can connect to Wi-Fi, or you can just click next. Now you have to scroll down and click accept. And you can set up your unlock method, or you can click skip. Then click later. And now click done. And click get started. And as you can see, my device is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.